Okay, welcome back again. For our next feature, I want to talk about kind of a power feature that we've included in the application that came by way of a lot of suggestions from our current users. You know, something that's incredibly inspiring is every day at the Atlas headquarters, working with a team, we're really in tune with and listening to our users, our members, right? Obviously, I have my own background in running very successful martial arts school operations. A lot of our folks inside of our executive branch have many decades of martial arts operations experience. But we're very, very focused on listening to our users, listening to our members as well. And in fact, just in the latest release of Atlas, we've included more than 80 feature suggestions and enhancements that have come directly from our users, the people who are using the application. So we're really responsive to that kind of stuff. In fact, we have an entire section of our tech area who are focused on nothing but listening to our clients, listening to our members, listening to the people who are using the application, and figuring out how to modify and adjust the application so that it works even more effectively, even more efficiently. Less clicks, more intuitiveness, those types of things. So one of the power features I'd like to show you today is the people search. And it's actually a little hidden here. I think I want to make this a little bigger. But if you look in the top left-hand corner over here, right under my own user account, you'll see this people search. And if you click in there, this is a highly requested feature where anywhere in the application, if I'm using any function or feature of the application, and I want to find a student, find a buyer, find a prospect, whatever the case might be, find a community member, I want to be able to do that quickly and easily, right? So for example, if I click up in the people search and let's look for John Smith. Okay, I just type a few letters of the name and I get an instant return list of all the people who meet that criteria. So you'll see I have a student named John Watson who's 159 years old, which is interesting. Again, I'm working with test data. Here's his mobile number. I have a buyer named John Watson as well. Looks like that's the same guy. They're both 159. I have 2 staff members with John in their name, and I have a contact, just a general contact, named John Smith as well. So again, from here you can quickly go to any of those, any of those prospects, students, buyers, contacts, whatever that might be, and get to their profile quickly and easily from there. Again, from their profile, you can email them or text them or do all sorts of other actions with them as well. But this is just a really quick kind of power feature where you can check for people based on that. Now, the people search also searches other fields in addition to name. So maybe you don't know their name. Maybe you only know their phone number. So let's say I have, 554. Let's say 55. I know 55 is in their phone number. So I type in 55 and I'm going to get returns of anybody who has a 55 in that phone number. Again, we're also adding the functionality to this to be able to search by email address as well. So any kind of bit of data, a little bit of data that you have in their primary contact information, you can search quickly, find that person, quickly navigate to that person's profile, and take action on that person if you want. And then to clear the submission, you can just hit this little X button. Now, this more results button, this gives you sort of a more robust list of those contacts as well. So maybe I want to see a little bit more information, or whatever the case might be. I want to match a broader criteria. That gives you this as well. And then again, this page functions exactly the same way that little sidebar functions. I can type a name and I get all my Johns. I can type an SMI and I get all my Smiths or anything that matches SMI. I can type a phone number. I don't know if there's any. Yeah, there's an 800 number. Look at that. I can type a phone number. I can type an email. Very soon I'll be able to type an email. We haven't. That's coming very quickly here. But you'll be able to search by email as well. So it's a very cool kind of little function, and it's sort of one of our power features. This quick, instant, immediate people search function. So hope that's useful for you. Hope you get a lot of use out of that, and it saves you a lot of time. Speak to you soon.